Good afternoon, dear sir or madam. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Natalia Medvedeva. I am 20 years old. I am a student of Donetsk National Technical University. I live in a beautiful city, Donetsk, Ukraine. One of my goals to visit the United States of America to learn the culture of the country of great opportunities. I can describe myself in the following way. I'm a fast learner, disciplined, self-organized, and stress-resistant person. I have a high learning ability. I do not lose control in the difficult situation and with humor resolve conflicts positively. I like to interact with people and make new friends. My hobby are reading, sports, making cocktails, flair, and traveling, of course. As for my work experience, well, it's all connected with communication. I was a lifeguard, a kitchen assistant, a waitress, and bartender. Always I tried to satisfy all the needs and demands my customers. I think that work and travel program it's a good chance to practice my English and it's step on the way to my dream. So I hope you liked my video and I will get the opportunity to spend an unforgettable time in the USA. Thank you for your attention and waiting for your positive answer. Goodbye!